So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share. You can also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at what will be happening on gold this week. First of all, we can see the direction or the prediction. We can see that this is a downtrend move. Price is giving us a bearish move. So all what we will be looking out for is a setup to go ahead and sell. Basically, we would want to sell on gold. So if you want to buy, maybe it will be a short term buy, not much, right? But with this gold right now, I'm speculating a little bit of a correction upward on gold. No, I'll see this gold drop a bit to this level of 1937. Within that level, then I will expect a correction. Once that correction plays out, guess what? The next movement we'll be expecting is a continuous bearish move. So basically, we will be expecting more drop on gold. Right now, I saw something, right? A lot of people were speculating that gold is now on a bullish move. I think it was on Thursday or Wednesday or so, whatever, when this gold actually, the price of gold, went up, broke above this trend line. A lot of people were speculating a bullish move. I was the only one that was expecting a drop because I knew USD was still on a bullish move. So basically, gold still needs to drop. Basically, once price broke out of this, I would call this a false breakout. Personally, I'll see this as a false breakout. So one thing we'll be expecting this week is gold to drop, a correction, then another drop should be coming this week. So I'll be sharing more setup on gold, more trade. If you, especially if you trade gold and you're interested in setup on gold, right? I'll be putting it out there to my Patreon channel. So basically, if you're interested, go to the link in the comment section, click on the link, subscribe. Basically, you tend to trade with us for free for good 7 days. So within the 7 days, you get good setup from us. I'll be putting out, setup on, especially if you trade gold, you're interested in gold setup. I'll be sharing it on my Patreon channel. So once you subscribe, you'll be able to get access to those setup and some exclusive and some fundamental. And also, you can also follow me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So, guys, this week we'll still be expecting more drop on gold and more setup will be released on gold. When to enter, when to post stop loss, and when to take profits. Everything I'll be sharing it on my Patreon channel. So, if in case you're interested, be my Patreon subscriber.